Module 1. Where can I get and how can I see geodata? Types of maps and map scales. The scale of a map is the ratio between the map distance and the real-world distance. Several ways. The numerical scale is a fraction or ratio. The numerator is the unit of measure of the map. The verbal scale and the graphical scale, the last one, is represented with a line. An example, the Euclidean distance from Baeza to Ubeda. It can be seen on maps with different scales. Here, the first map of the Andalusian Autonomous Community has a 1 in 400,000 scale. It means that one unit on the map is 400,000 times larger in the real world. If the distance on this map is 2 centimeters, on the Jaén province map, 1 in 200,000, the same distance is 4 centimeters. Both measures, using different scale maps, have the same real-world distance of 8 kilometers. There are small-scale, medium-scale, and large-scale maps. A small-scale map shows a large area of the Earth. A medium-scale map means a medium-sized area of the Earth. And a large-scale map shows an area of the real world in detail. For example, a map of city streets. It is important to choose the appropriate map scale depending on your study objectives. Types of maps. There are 2 broad categories of map types or map layers. Reference maps or base maps with general information that is not easily changed, like boundaries, rivers, lakes, roads, such as a topographic map. Relief is frequently represented in several ways, isolines or shadows. And thematic maps, useful as a source of information and visualization of research results. Types of thematic maps include choropleth maps and boundary-based maps. Isopleth or isoline maps. Dot density maps, such as Snow's famous map showing cholera cases in London. Graduated circles. Flowline maps, for example French wine exports, Minar. Cartograms. Both maps show the importance of the phenomena to be represented. And there are also perception maps, for example the university student map on the application of Lynch categories to their university city, in this case Valencia and Murcia in Spain. Geotechnologies have significantly changed the way maps are made from traditional analog map to collaborative mapping and web GIS applications. It is possible to add layers of data from different sources to the same map. We can also ask questions from the map. For example, are nuclear plants located near tsunami areas? These blue buffers show us the extent of tsunamis and the power plants which are located very close to them. These are power plants at risk.
Thank you very much and don't miss the next module section.